Hello guys, this is Arshad from Technolily. So today in this video we will be unboxing the G.SKILL Trident Z Neo 32GB. So I got this package from ZH Computers, as you can see. So without wasting time, let's go and unbox this. So I will be needing some knife, so I think this will work. So let's go. And it is its packaging is so good. As you can see, it's a plastic around it, I think bubble plastic. So and also a fragile sticker is on it. So I think the package will be inside safe. So let's go and unbox this. There is so much scotch tape around it. I don't know how to open. I think this will work. Okay. Here is another scotch tape. Make sure I didn't break the ring or cut the ring. Okay. Let's just take it on the side. Okay. Now here is again scotch tape. Wow, I'm so impressed from this packaging. You can see this is sponge around it, so it will protect it while in shipping. It has protected. So let's see inside what we got. So guys, here is the RAM. Let's put it on the side. So as you can see, here is the Trident Z Neo 32GB RAM, as you can see here. So it is the F4 3600C18D model, 32GB TZN. So it is the 36 MHz 16 two-stick CL18, 22, 22 and 42, 1.35 volt. So let's see for a sticker. As you can see, the sticker here, it is seal packed. So yeah, it comes with a 1-year warranty and made in Taiwan. So let's just go and open this box to see what we got inside the box. So I will just open this seal. As you can see, I opened the seal. So let's just open this and see what we got inside. So after getting it, we got this thing. So this is the box. Let's put it on the side. And we got this, the 16GB 2 sticks. So total it makes 32GB, and one this G.SKILL's logo with it, plastic sticker logo with it. So yeah, this is the RAM. And inshallah I will be putting this in my new upcoming build. So let's just open this. As you can see, here is the RAM, here is the model F4 3600C18D. So here is the RGB G.SKILL's Trident Z Neo RAM. It is one of the best RAM for the gaming currently available. So yeah, that was a good deal. As you can see, here are the RAMs and here is the box. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel Technolily.